Welcome to this tutorial on how to pronounce Zelle, a popular person-to-person payment service. Pronouncing Zelle correctly can be challenging for non-native English speakers or those unfamiliar with the brand. In this guide, we will break down the correct pronunciation step by step. First, let's start with the basics. Zelle is a single word, and its pronunciation is based on its German origin. The word Zelle is derived from the German language, where it means sell. To pronounce Zelle correctly, start by saying the letter Z, which is pronounced as a sharp Z sound, similar to the Z in zebra. Next, say the letter E, which is pronounced as a short E sound, similar to the E in pet. Finally, say the letter L, which is pronounced as a soft L sound, similar to the L in bell. And then the letter E again, which is pronounced as a short E sound. Put it all together, and you get a pronunciation that sounds like Zelle. The emphasis is on the first syllable, so it sounds like Zelle. A common mistake people make when pronouncing Zelle is to pronounce it as Zele or Zele. However, the correct pronunciation is a single syllable, with a sharp Z sound and a short E sound. To practice the correct pronunciation, try repeating the word Zelle several times, paying close attention to the sharp Z sound and the short E sound. You can also listen to native English speakers pronounce the word Zelle to get a better sense of the correct pronunciation. In conclusion, pronouncing Zelle correctly is simple once you break it down into its individual components. By following these steps and practicing the correct pronunciation, you will be able to say Zelle with confidence. Remember, the correct pronunciation is a single syllable, with a sharp Z sound and a short E sound, and it sounds like Zelle.